In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to mark your morning homeroom. To do that, you need to go to this website. You can either copy it from the email that you were given by Catholic Ed, or as you can see by me that I've bookmarked it. It will then take you to this screen, or if you've bookmarked it, it will take you to the same screen. Your username and your password are the same username and password that you use for your email, your school email. The very first time that you log in, you won't see this screen. In fact, you may see the wheel of death for a little while, but you will see this screen. And that you will need to enter the ID reference that you had in the email that you're also sent by Catholic Ed. Once that's done, you need to go to Teacher Toolkit. If it's been set up correctly, then your homeroom will be at the top here. Click anywhere in this rectangular box, if a rectangular box can be two-dimensional, and then we go to Attendance. The attendance for that day will now be open here, and we need to do it for both. So we used to, on emails, just change it to both, but we have to do it twice now, so there's a few more button presses. So we'll do it for the morning first. We click on HD1, and down the bottom here in the middle it says all present. You'll notice that all these will now change to all present, and that all the arrows are now, all the ticks are now green. We now need to adjust the students that are not there. So we can scroll down through it and find any students that are not now there. So for me, for example, it may be Jai and it may be Manoli. And I mark those selected ones, so that's the bottom left-hand side, as absent. We update that, and we now see that those two have changed from green ticks to red crosses. And I simply would then press Submit. That will now then get updated on my page. So if I go back to close that down, sorry, so close over here, was lost for a second. We're now on the same screen as before. We now just need to do HD2. To do that, it's a bit quicker. We come across to HD2, and then down in the bottom right hand corner is three dots. Click on that, which is More, and copy from earlier session. Once we copy that from earlier session, it will drag across what we did in the morning and submit that too. Make sure you do press Submit and it says Success in the top right hand corner, and like the mistake I made a second ago, if you're not sure how to get out of that, then just press the close and it will take us back to attendance, and there you go, done. Simple as that. Log out, do it on sector just for fun, and get on with our day. Thanks for watching.